Welcome back, students. Last lecture we had studied up to complement of a set. Okay, and now we are going to study about operations on sets. So here now in that first we are going to study about intersection of two sets. Now what is a set of intersection? Set of intersection of the two sets is a set of only common elements from both the sets, and it is denoted by, you will read this as A intersection B. This you will read as A intersection B. Okay, then here what is A intersection B? A intersection B is a set of X such that X belongs to A, set A also X belongs to set B. Means all the elements which belongs to both the sets, set A also set B. Now for example here, if you see here, set A consists of elements 1, 3, 5, 7. Set B consists of elements 2, 3, 6, 8. Now here in both the sets, 3 is the common element. So if you have to show this by using Venn diagram, you can show this as set A will consist of elements 1, 5, 7 and 3. This is a part of set A. Then set B will consist of elements 2, 6, 8 and 3. So 3 is the common element. So this is the common portion. This portion belongs to set A. Also this portion belongs to set B. So here these common elements are shown in this common part. So therefore A intersection B is equal to 3. Okay. So this then if you see here, set A consists of elements 1, 3, 9, 11, 13. Set B consists of elements 1, 9 and 11. Now B is a subset of set A because all the elements from set B belongs to set A. Therefore B is a subset of set A. Hence, first of all, set B you will be writing 1, 9, 11, and then the remaining elements other than 1, 9, 11 will be 3 and 13. So in this way A intersection B will be equal to set B. So what property we'll understand? If B is a subset of AA, then A intersection B will be equal to set B. Okay. Then next is disjoint sets. Now what are disjoint sets? Disjoint sets are those sets which does not have any common element. Not a single element is common in the given sets, then those sets are called as disjoint sets. For example, set A consists of the elements 1, 3, 5, 9. Set B consists of elements 2, 4, 8. So there is no common element in between set A and set B. Therefore, set A and set B are said to be disjoint sets. Sorry. Okay, understood? Then next is union of two sets. Now what is union of two sets? Now if suppose here A is a set of elements -1, -3, -5 and 0. B is a set of elements 0, 3, 5. Okay. So A union B will be equal to all the elements from set A and B. Only common element you are going to write down once. For example, then A union B will be equal to all elements from set A -3, -5, -1, 0, and then remaining elements. 0 is already included, so remaining elements from B will be 3 and 5. So A union B is the set of elements which belongs to set A, also belongs to set B, but only common elements we will be writing one time. Okay. Now here one example is shown. Observe the Venn diagram and write the following sets by using listing method. Now universal set. Now first of all, from the diagram you should be able to write down universal set. Now set A and set B belongs to universal set. So let us write down elements of set A U first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 3, 7, 5, 11, 12 and 9. Okay, all the elements, whatever elements are shown, all those elements will be in universal set. Then set A consists, this is set A, this is set A. So therefore set A consists of elements 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Set B consists of elements 1, 7, 3, 5, 8 and 10. 8 and 10 belongs to both the sets. Okay. Now if you have to find out A union B. A union B means all the elements from set A also set B. So those elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Okay. Now A intersection B. A intersection B means only common elements. This common element A intersection B will be equal to 8 and 10. Then A complement. Now A complement are the set of those elements which are present in set, universal set, which are present in universal set but not present in set A. अभी देखो यूनिवर्सल सेट में ए के एलिमेंट जो है वो छोड़ के बाकी सारे ए कॉम्प्लीमेंट बन जाएंगे. ए के एलिमेंट्स कौन से हैं? 2, 4, 6, 8 एंड 10. अभी कौन से एलिमेंट्स बच गए फिर? 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, then 11 and 12. This will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 12. These will be all A complements. Similarly, B complements will be the set of elements which are present in universal set but not present in B. Universal set में elements, these are the elements for universal set. Now see which elements from set are not there in set B. 1 is there, then 2 is not there, 4 is not there, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 4, 6, 9, 11 and 12. So B complement will be 2, 4, 6, 9, 11 and 12. Okay. Now A union B complement, यानी A union B में जो एलिमेंट्स है, A union B में जो एलिमेंट्स नहीं है यूनिवर्सल सेट में से, वो हो जाएंगे A union B complements. So which elements are not there in A union B set from universal set? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. Other than that 9 and 11, 9, 11 and 12. These will be A union B complements. Okay. So in this way you can study this. You can study operations on sets. Okay students. So we had almost completed this lesson. I have explained almost all parts. Only now one part is remaining, that is number of elements in a set. Number of elements in set. Now number of elements means here see now. If suppose set A consists of elements 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Count the number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 elements. So you will write as number of elements in set A is equal to 5. Set B consists of elements 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and 36. So set B will consist of how many number of elements are there in set B? Number of elements in set B is 6. Okay. Now if you take A union B, चलो A union B देखो क्या आता है? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 24, 30 and 36. Count the number of elements. Number of elements in A union B is 9. And here number of elements in set A is 5. Number of elements in set B is 6. So number of elements in set A plus set B is 5 plus 6 equal to 11. But when you take union of these two sets, at a time the number of elements are 9. Means 2 elements are common. They are not repeated. 2 elements are common. So therefore, now how you got this A union B? A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus common elements. Common elements means in set of intersection. A set of intersection consists of only 2 elements, that is 6 and 12. So number of elements in A intersection B is 2. So therefore here we can derive a formula, that is number of elements in universe in A union B is equal to number of elements in set A plus number of elements in set B minus A intersection B. Okay, so in this way we have completed first lesson, students. Okay.